Hey everyone! Are you struggling with no sound on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through a comprehensive and step-by-step tutorial to fix audio problems, including the no audio output device installed error and other sound issues, helping you restore your sound quickly and easily. This guide is structured into 5 chapters, each containing multiple solutions ranked from simple to advanced ones. It's crucial to follow them in the same order, as some fixes may become unavailable if you skip ahead. Before diving into advanced troubleshooting or into the method that ultimately fixed the issue on my computer, let's start with some essential basic checks and tweaks that you should try first. To enable audio device, do the followings. Press Windows plus R key to open Run tool. Type mmsys.cpl and press Enter to open sound configuration. Right-click the audio device. If it's disabled, enable it. Press Win plus R, type Services, and hit Enter. Find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services. If the services are not running, right-click, select All Tasks and then select Start. If the services are running, select Restart option. Double-click the services and set Startup type to Automatic. This ensures that your audio services always run when your computer starts. If you recently updated the audio driver manually or automatically, or changed audio settings, try restarting your computer. It may sound simple, but a quick restart can often fix the issue instantly. If you are using external speakers or headphones, ensure they're properly plugged in. Try a different port or different speaker if necessary. Right-click on Start icon and select Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs, or Sound Video and Game Controllers section and check if your audio device is listed, usually Realtek High Definition Audio Driver. If these sections or audio device are not shown, enable Show Hidden Devices option from View tab. Double-click the audio driver to open its properties. If the audio driver was recently updated, the rollback option will be active. Click on Rollback Driver and then choose any option from the list. Click Yes. You can install the generic or default audio driver as follow. Double-click the audio driver and then navigate to Driver tab. Click Update Driver and then choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer option. Make sure to check Show Compatible Hardware option. Select the generic or another driver from the list and then click Next. If the previous options didn't work, double-click the Realtek High Definition Audio device, choose Uninstall Device from Driver tab, and check Delete Driver Software option if prompted. Repeat previous steps to remove Intel Smart Sound Technology driver or any audio-related drivers, and then restart your PC. The Windows should automatically reinstall the audio driver. If the issue didn't fix, reinstall the official driver as shown on the next steps. Even if Windows default driver fixes the issue, you might notice that your audio sounds quieter than usual. To get the best sound quality and full audio enhancements, it's always a good idea to install the official driver as follow. Visit the official website of your computer manufacturer using the links in the video description. Locate your computer's serial number from the device cover back or underside and enter it into the search box to access the compatible drivers page. If can't find the serial number, use the website product detection option for automatic identification. Install the Support Solution app if prompted. Agree to the terms and conditions. Download and install the app. Click Continue and then click on Open Web Product Detection option to allow the app to detect your computer model. Once detected, the app will redirect you to the page with the appropriate drivers for your device. Choose your Windows operating system and its version from drop-down menus. Locate Realtek High Definition Audio driver or any audio-related driver and download them one by one. Run the driver installer and follow on-screen instructions to install the audio driver. Restart your computer to complete the installation process. Installing the appropriate driver should resolve the audio issue in most cases. However, if the problem persists, you may need to update the BIOS firmware by following the next steps. Older BIOS firmware can sometimes cause the no audio output device installed error, especially after upgrading to a newer operating system. In my case, this issue appeared after upgrading my HP laptop from Windows 10 to Windows 11. I tried multiple fixes, but nothing worked until I updated the BIOS firmware. First, you have to verify the current BIOS version as follows. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type DXDIAG and hit Enter. Compare your installed BIOS version with the version on the computer web page. If an update is available, download it to your computer. Run the downloaded BIOS update file. Accept the license agreement and click Next to continue. Follow on-screen instructions to proceed with BIOS updating process. Your PC will restart multiple times as it installs the updated BIOS firmware and related security features. You should disable BitLocker encryption before updating BIOS firmware. Avoid turning off or restarting the computer until the update is 100% complete. For more details and a full BIOS update guide, check the video description for helpful links. In rare cases, no audio error can result from disabling the audio controller in BIOS settings. To check that, do the followings. Restart your computer while pressing and holding Shift key down. Click on Troubleshoot and then select Advanced Options. Select UEFI firmware settings and then click on Restart. Locate the audio controller or any audio-related settings. If the audio controller is disabled, enable it, save changes and confirm your choice if prompted. If you have more than one output device, make sure to select the correct one. The built-in audio output device is usually labeled as speakers, Realtek high-definition audio. Each computer brand provides its own diagnostic software for troubleshooting hardware issues. To check for audio problems, follow these steps. Download the official diagnostic tool from your computer manufacturer's website. Install and launch the tool. Run a hardware scan to troubleshoot your audio device. This will help determine whether the issue is software related or due to a hardware failure in your speakers. And there you have it. These solutions should help you fix the no audio output device installed error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If one of these methods worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.